If your kitchen is like mine, it gets a lot of use. So you need a faucet that not only looks good, but can handle whatever your household throws at it. The Fairbury kitchen faucet from American Standard. It gives your kitchen a fresh face and will fit into your daily routine like part of the family. Whether you're doing a new install or replacing an old faucet, it fits any plan. Fairbury is designed with a high arc and swivel spout, which makes filling pots and pans a breeze. It has a 2-function spray, so you can switch between stream, spray, and pause. It also comes with retracts, so the pull-down spray head moves smoothly back into place if your little ones leave the faucet dangling. Fairbury will stay drip-free thanks to our ceramic disc valving that is tested to exceed industry standards. And installation is literally a snap with Speed Connect. Fairbury is available in multiple finishes. And finally, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty from a company that's been around for over 140 years. The Fairbury Kitchen Faucet by American Standard. Designed and made for that swirl of life called home.